A quick demonstration how to connect the Rythflo Lavalier mic to Sony DSLR camera. So let's get started. First, we want to remove the hot shoe plate that's on the camera. Next, we want to remove the two mics from the receiver, which is right here. Okay, and then this comes with it, so it's easy to connect. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it on the camera itself. Depending on your needs, you can put it a variety of different ways, and we're just going to put it in here like this. Okay, so once you have that in there, you can connect your receiver. I'm just going to put it in right here like that. It is magnetized, so you can feel it once it's connected. It does come with this cable, which is the same one that you're going to need for the camera, and you're going to connect it right here. So let's put that in right now. And the camera should detect that it's an external microphone, and the next thing we want to do is want to put this part into the USB-C connector right there. Okay, once you have that all going, what you want to do is you want to power on the receiver. Okay, once it's on, you'll be able to see the blue light, which is represented right there. Let's turn on our microphones right now. So you can see they are paired, and now you're ready to use your camera. And if we turn it on, we're going to see that we should have the meters going and everything to know that your mic is working properly and you should be ready to go. And it's really that simple. That's how you connect the wireless lavalier mic to your Sony camera to get better audio.